Welcome to this troubleshooting video of Mesh2Surface for SOLIDWORKS. In some cases you may want to use what is called a section view in SOLIDWORKS. The main idea is that it creates a clipping which can be adjusted by the user, and I'm sure you're familiar with this as a normal SOLIDWORKS user. This will just remove the visibility of part of your design, and when you press OK you want to carry on and continue your design. If I press OK now, you will see that actually it doesn't work. It clips the original model of SOLIDWORKS, but it doesn't apply this to our imported mesh. The reason for this is that SOLIDWORKS has some limitations of how we, the third-party software, can apply this. And in order to fix, what we need to do is I will just click again to turn this off, and we'll click it again. Now what causes the problem is this option, which is called graphics only section. In order to have this working for us in Mesh2Surface, you need to make sure that this option is turned off. Press on this check bar and then press OK. Now, as you can see, the section view is correctly applied and you can do what you need. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.